Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. This is Smile. I'm doing as my network. Please do where to subscribe to my channel, share it to friends. Please, this is the best way you can appreciate my effort. Subscribe to my channel, share and like, comment on my videos. Please, thank you so much as you are doing that. I want to share a secret with you guys, and this secret, it doesn't matter whether you know anything about trading, either forex or crypto, but one way or the other you will still find yourself in this platform of trading, because the way the world is revolving, the time will come that you are not going to be spending your hard currency again. You'll be spending your virtual currency, which are these or this crypto um, currency. So I just want you guys to understand this secret. Whether you like it or not, you are still going to find yourself in that point. I want to talk about pump. There are several ways of making money online now, and one of them is trading. Either you trade crypto, forex trading, and many other tradings. I get what I'm saying. But today I want to talk about crypto trading, because this crypto trading, it can make you a billionaire in a day, and also it can crush your life in a day. A day, in the seconds, it can crush your life, and in a seconds, it can turn you to someone else that people can never imagine. So crypto is very, very powerful. And if you don't know the way out, you can be a victim. And this is what I want to show us in this platform. There's something we call pump in crypto, and this is one of the ways I make my money online. So I joined some organization, because you just many of us you just notice that some coin just rise without any notice. You just see them, they keep on moving till they get to the peak. Some of us doesn't know why they are rising. So if you are ignorant of that, and you enter into that coin and you are not smart enough to just eat your own and get out, you are a victim. You will lose all your money, and that's very painful. So many of us that we trade, some of us we just enter trade and we don't know how things is going on. So there's something that these crypto networks normally do. Some of them, they have their networks that are working for them. So they are going to gather people from different country, different nations, so that these people will come together as a group, and whenever they want to initiate a coin, any crypto coin, those people will start buying with full force. People that have money that they don't know how to use it, they begin to buy, and before you know it, those coins will begin to rise and get to the top. And if you are ignorant, you don't know that this coin is being influenced by some people. If you enter into that kind of trade, you are going to lose. Do you get what I'm saying? And for those that have information, if you enter into that kind of trade, you are going to make profit. I get what I'm saying. So today I'm going to introduce you one crypto network pump, and that's KuCoin network pump. So this is the channel KuCoin pump. Can you see on at the top? So on this channel, they decide to they decide how crypto coin move. I get what I'm saying. For example, if they see a crypto coin that they have interest in, they can just say, okay, this crypto coin, we want to push it to this level of this amount of dollars before we withdraw from it, and they start pushing it. And for those that have that coin in hand at that particular time, it's a big profit for them. So, and that's what we do on this group. Now let me show you a video now. Please look at this video. Look at this coin. I think it's this. Look at this green button. Start at 1.4 something. This 1.46, and it move up to 2.5. This is a long trade though, but let me just stop here. Let me stop here. From one point, let's check the calculation. The initial price of the coin is 1.46, and let's assume you have maybe $100 with you. $100, so is $100 divided by 1.46. So, oh, sorry for that. $100 divided by 1.46. Ah, what's the meaning? $100 divided by 1.46. So you have 68.49 coin with you. Now, when you now trade that coin to a level whereby the coin is now 2.5 something, let's say the new price of the product is now 2.5 something, and then you withdraw from the trade. So this amount of coin now multiply it by, now this is the product. So this is the amount of coin that you have. So multiply by 2.56, multiply by 6.68.4 something, 42, let's say 42, because I can't recollect the answer. So you use $100 at first to start a trade, and then you are making um $175 as profit. Now, within how many minutes? This trading is not up to an hour most of the time. So when you just eat your own, just come out, eat your own, come out. If you have good amount of money, maybe like 500, and you put it on it, and then the coin rise, you withdraw it, and then you make your profit. I think that is okay for a day. Are you getting what I'm saying? So this pump is one of the way I make my money. So if you can join this pump, I would like you guys to join it. And before you know it, this is another. You see, you have 1.7k subscribers. So I'll just advise you guys to just join this pump. So this is the latest news on ground. You can see, here's the latest news. Today is 21 December 21. So another pump is taking place in 2 days time now. You can see they said 2 days left until the big signal on KuCoin. Make sure they read the guide we provide and be prepared, as the signal will potentially be one of the biggest we have ever done. So in 2 days now, that is 23 on 23. So they are going to make another pump, and people will make profit, and whosoever a victim is a victim. So people that doesn't know about this, what's it called now? This pump now, if they enter into it, they are going to lose. So I just advise you to join this KuCoin. So go to the description below and join the click on my link, the KuCoin link. So click on it to register on it. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how you can register on KuCoin, how you can verify your KuCoin account, and do some other things on KuCoin. So that's just it about that. And I'm going to share this KuCoin link. Go there, go and join it. And before you know it, at least in a month, we do receive signals. In a month, we do receive signals maybe 3 to 4 times, 3 to 4 times in a month. So if you are making at least maybe $300 as a profit in a month, I think that's okay. That's okay. Based on your capital, it depends on how much you have in pocket. So if you have $20, it's okay. It just depends on how much you have in pocket. So you can start with any amount of money. So this is where I'm going to stop for the training for today. So go to the description below, go and join the um, group there, and also join my Telegram group to know the latest way of making money online. Please do that and join my Telegram group for the latest things to know how to make money online. Thank you so much. God bless you. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. If this is your first time you are watching this video, subscribe to this channel, and I promise you I'm going to be releasing the latest things I know about making money online for you. Thank you so much. God bless you.